What's up, Wednesday, everyone? My name is Josh Ratliff, in case we haven't met, and today I'm going to be sharing 3 tips for limiting technology-related distractions in your classroom. Now, if you are anything like me, you love teaching with technology. But if we're being honest with ourselves, there are times when the technology that we're trying to leverage for the learning experience can also be a distraction to that learning experience. So today we're going to talk about that. Here we go. Here are 3 ideas. Number 1, we need to understand that when students are misusing technology, more often than not, they're just simply trying to connect with someone that they care about. So think about it. When you call kids down, aren't they normally just texting with a friend or texting with their parents or maybe engaging in a game with a friend, or perhaps they're checking their social media posts to make sure that they're doing well and that their friends are responding to them? So knowing that the drive that's happening internally in those children is to connect with each other, then how about we build that connection into the learning experience through collaboration? So when we're designing our lessons, let's look for opportunities to foster collaboration, to build in those human connections that students crave, and therefore decrease the need to go source that connection through some misuse of technology. Number 2, when we integrate technology, let's do it at a very high level. Let's model for students the very best use cases of technology that is available to them. Think about it this way. When we go about integrating technology and we're doing it as a pure substitution, or we're doing it in ways that model strictly consumption, then the message that we're sending to children is that the technology that we're trying to leverage here can just be used as a pacifier to numb your brain or to soak up information in some very passive way. But when we favor creation over consumption, and when we look for opportunities on the SAMR model to push toward modification and redefinition, then we're showing students that this technology that we're using can be used to change the world in a good way. Number 3, let's use classroom management software to keep an eye on what's happening in our classrooms. Just like the old days when we were taught to use proximity and to walk around the room and to stay connected with students and look over their shoulder, we should still be doing that. And we should also layer on classroom management software that helps us gain visibility into what's happening on the students' screens so that we have accountability with those children. Okay, so we've looked at 3 ways that we can integrate technology in ways that limit distractions. I hope that's been helpful for you. We'll see you next week.